Hello everyone. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ademido Amimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria, Ikeja to be precise. I'm the face behind Glitters and Polish Nail channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to get to my nail lounge from Awolowo, Ikeja. So, come along with me. This is Awolowo, Ikeja, and I'm walking to my office. I usually walk every day to my office and back because I live very close to my office. So this is Awolowo bus stop. It's the bus stop before my junction. My junction is Fade Street. So this is the bus stop before my junction. In case you are coming with public transport from under Ikeja, this is where you come down. If you're coming from Allen area, there's also a bus stop opposite this bus stop, and it's called bus stop. I don't know why. This building is the tallest building at the entrance of my street. For those of you into photography, Ikeja is at my bus stop. It's at the entrance of my street. So once you get to Ikeja, I think my building is like 6 buildings after Ikeja. There's also a big hospital at the entrance as well. That's Holy Trinity Hospital. Please don't mind all the deaths you are seeing on the road. So I'm just trekking to my building, trying to show you the buildings you will see before you get to my place. This is Holy Trinity Hospital. It's about 4 buildings away from my building. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, so this is my building. My building is 4 buildings away from the Holy Trinity Hospital. I'm upstairs. There's a church below me, just directly below me. The building opposite me is Labour House. It has many flags. So I think it's number 10, while my own is number 7. So in case you get to this place, you know you are just directly opposite my building. The car for sale is for my landlord in case you're interested in buying that car. So my place is upstairs and the staircase is by the side. This is the gate that leads to the staircase. Please don't mind our old building. It's what we give you that matters. So this is our staircase. It's a little bit dark because there's no light. So this is my office. I made all the nails on the door, on the sticker. I usually don't believe in taking pictures from the internet. So all these nails, I made them. All the nails on my door, on the sticker on my door, the nails on the stickers on my window, I made them. So this is my office in the morning without my customers. This is my table. This is where I work. This is my work table. This is my spare table for a nail technician I've been looking to employ for a long time that I've not seen. And this is my staff. Her name is Shola. Shola.
Hello everyone.
She's my pedicurist. That's my UV sterilizer. I use it to sterilize my equipment. My TV is always on Z Cinema all the time because I love Indian movies. Okay, so we move to my pedicure area. This is my pedicure area. The chairs are so comfortable. So now we move to my training room. This is my training room. This is where I train my students. Okay. This is what my training room looks like when my students are not around. I'm going to insert a video of when they were around so you guys can see them working. Hey, everybody say hello.
Hi.
That will be all for today. Thanks for watching a brief tour to my nail lounge. I hope you enjoyed my video for today. Don't forget to hit the like button and also leave a comment. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification so as to get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.